We share our world with invisible life forms. Tiny molds are everywhere, unseen by the naked eye. They thrive in dark, damp places. Some are harmless, but others can be dangerous. Scientists study molds to understand their effects on our health and environment. Molds play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They decompose organic matter, breaking down dead plants and animals. This process is essential for nutrient recycling. However, some molds can be harmful to humans. They can cause allergies, respiratory problems, and even infections. Understanding these tiny organisms is vital for our well-being. By studying molds, scientists can develop ways to prevent and treat mold-related illnesses. This research helps us create healthier living and working spaces. Scientists carefully collect mold samples for analysis. They wear gloves and masks to avoid contamination. A sterile swab or tape is used to pick up a small amount of mold. The sample is then placed on a glass slide. A drop of a special dye is added to the slide. The dye stains the mold, making it easier to see under the microscope. A thin glass cover slip is placed over the sample. This protects the microscope lens and keeps the sample flat. The prepared slide is now ready for examination. Scientists use powerful microscopes to magnify the mold hundreds or even thousands of times. This allows them to see the intricate details of these tiny organisms. The microscope reveals a hidden world of beauty and complexity. Molds, once invisible, come alive under the lens. They have unique shapes, colors, and structures. Scientists can identify different types of molds based on their microscopic features. They look at the shape of the mold spores, which are like tiny seeds. They also examine the hyphae, the thread-like structures that make up the mold colony. By studying these features, scientists can determine if a mold is harmful. They can also learn about its growth habits and how to control it. Microscopy is an essential tool in mold analysis. The study of dark molds has led to important scientific discoveries. Scientists have identified new species of molds and learned about their unique characteristics. They have also discovered new antibiotics produced by molds. For example, penicillin, one of the most important antibiotics, was discovered from a mold called Penicillium. Research on dark molds has also revealed their potential in bioremediation. Some molds can break down pollutants and toxins in the environment. The study of dark molds is ongoing. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about these fascinating organisms. This research has the potential to lead to new medicines, environmental solutions, and a deeper understanding of the natural world.